You are wasting your best years, but maybe you do not see it yet. Every morning you wake up, check your phone, scroll for a long time, and tell yourself you will start later. You say, I still have time, or I will do it tomorrow. But tomorrow comes, and nothing really changes. Days become weeks, and weeks become months. Slowly, your best years are passing, and you are not using them well. Your best years are not only about your age. They are about your energy, your time, and your chance to grow. Right now, you have more freedom than you think. You can learn new skills. You can try new things. You can fail and start again. But many people choose comfort instead. They choose easy things like watching videos, playing games, or doing nothing important. These things are not bad, but when they take all your time, they become a problem. Sometimes, wasting time feels good. It is easy and relaxing. You do not feel pressure. You do not feel fear. But this comfort is dangerous. It keeps you in the same place. It does not help you grow. After some time, you may feel empty. You may feel like you are not moving forward, even when life is still going. Many people wait for motivation. They think, when I feel ready, I will start. But the truth is, motivation does not always come first. Action comes first. When you start doing something, even a small thing, you begin to feel better. You begin to feel stronger. If you keep waiting, you may wait forever. You may also compare yourself to others. You see people your age who are successful. They have good jobs, strong skills, or clear goals. You feel behind. You feel like you are not good enough. But comparing does not help. It only makes you feel worse. What matters is not where others are. What matters is what you are doing today. Think about your daily habits. What do you do every day? Do you learn something new? Do you improve your skills? Or do you just pass time? Small actions every day create big results. If you read a little every day, you become smarter. If you practice a skill every day, you become better. But if you waste your time every day, you stay the same. It is also important to understand fear. Many people waste their best years because they are afraid. They are afraid of failure. They are afraid of judgment. They are afraid of trying something new. So they choose to stay safe. But staying safe all the time can stop your growth. Failure is not the end. It is part of learning. Every mistake teaches you something. You may think you are still young, so it is okay to waste time now. But time moves fast. One day, you will look back and ask, what did I do with my time? And you may not like the answer. The small choices you make today will shape your future. If you choose to grow, your future will be better. If you choose comfort all the time, your future may feel empty. Your best years are also about your health. When you are young, your body is strong. You have energy to work, to learn, and to try new things. But if you do not take care of your body, you may lose this energy. Exercise, good food, and enough rest are important. They help you stay strong and focused. Another way people waste their best years is by staying in the wrong place. Maybe they stay in a job they do not like. Maybe they stay with people who do not support them. Maybe they stay in a life that does not make them happy. Change is hard, but sometimes it is necessary. If you want a better life, you need to make better choices. You do not need to do something big to change your life. Start with small steps. Wake up a little earlier. Read for 10 minutes. Learn a new word. Practice speaking English. Write your thoughts. These small actions can create a big difference over time. The key is to be consistent. Discipline is also very important. Discipline means doing what you need to do, even when you do not feel like it. It is easy to work when you feel motivated, but real growth happens when you work without motivation. When you build discipline, you become stronger and more confident. Sometimes people say, "I don't know what to do with my life." That is okay. You do not need to have all the answers, but you need to start exploring. Try different things. Learn different skills. Talk to different people. When you try more, you understand more about yourself. Your environment also affects your life. If you spend time with people who waste time, you may do the same. If you spend time with people who work hard and grow, you will feel inspired. Choose your environment carefully. It can push you forward or hold you back. Do not wait for the perfect time. There is no perfect time. If you keep waiting, you will lose more time. Start now, even if you are not ready. Start small, but start today. The first step is always the hardest, but it is also the most important. It is also important to rest, but rest is not the same as wasting time. Rest helps you recover. It gives you energy, but wasting time does not help you. It only makes you feel tired and empty. Learn the difference between rest and escape. You may make mistakes. You may fail many times, but that is part of the journey. Every successful person has failed before. The difference is they did not stop. They learned and kept going. You can do the same. Your best years are a gift. You have time, energy, and chances. But these things will not stay forever. One day, you will have more responsibilities. You may have less time and less energy. That is why it is important to use your time now. Ask yourself simple questions. What do I want to improve? What can I do today? What small step can I take right now? You do not need a perfect plan. You just need to move forward. Life is not about being perfect. It is about progress. Even small progress is still progress. If you become a little better every day, you will become much better over time. You are not too late, but you should not wait anymore. This moment is important. Today is important. What you do today will shape your tomorrow. So stop wasting your best years. Stop waiting. Stop making excuses. Start small. Start now. Your future self will thank you.